Welcome to Andaaz Fashion. Let us help you take precise measurement for custom tailoring your garment. This video is going to help you record measurement by measuring your body the right way. A few things before we get started. Make sure that you are wearing inners that you generally would wear with the garment of your choice. Also, while taking body measurements, wear fitted garments and thin garments. You're going to need a soft tape measure like this one. If you do not have one, do not worry. All you have to do is click in the link that is in the description box. It will take you to a page with instructions and you can print out your very own measuring tape. And this is how it's going to look. Now that we're ready, let's get measuring. Shoulder measurement. For this measurement, rotate your arms a bit and find your shoulder point, which is generally the end of your shoulder bone. Now place the start of your measuring tape on one shoulder point and drag it across to the other. Make sure that your measuring tape is sitting at the curved part of your lower neck. This is your shoulder measurement. Armhole measurement. For this measurement, raise your arm a bit and tuck the measuring tape under. Wrap it around your armhole. Make sure that it isn't too tight, neither it is too loose. Note this measurement. This is your armhole measurement. Around arm measurement. Bicep measurement. This measurement is taken roughly about 3 inches down from your shoulder point. Wrap the measuring tape around and make sure that it is not too tight and is sitting comfortably on your bicep. Note this measurement. This is your around arm measurement. Around bust measurement. Raise your arms and wrap the measuring tape around your bust. Adjust the measuring tape and encompass the fullest part of your bust, which is through the apex. Make sure that your measuring tape is parallel to the floor on the front, the side, and the back. Note this measurement. This is your round bust measurement. Sleeve length measurement. For this measurement, place your palm on your hip and start by locating your shoulder point. This is generally the point where your shoulder bone ends. Place the start of your measuring tape at that point and measure vertically downwards through the bend of the elbow till your wrist bone for a full sleeve length. Now, if you desire any other length, measure for a shorter sleeve, measure till your biceps at the desired length. For a 3/4 sleeve or below the elbow sleeve, measure through the bend of the elbow till the desired length. This is your sleeve measurement. Under bust measurement. Raise your arms and wrap your measuring tape right below your bust. This is the place where generally the underwire of your brow would sit. Make sure that it is nice and comfortable. Neither is it too tight nor too loose. Note this measurement. This is your under bust measurement. Belly button measurement. For this measurement, at your belly button, wrap your measuring tape around. Make sure that it is at a very comfortable position. It should not be too loose, neither should it be too tight. And also make sure that your measuring tape again is parallel to the floor in the front, the side and the back. Note this measurement. This is your around belly button measurement. Waistline measurement. For this measurement, find the area where you would comfortably wear your pants or your underpants and wrap your measuring tape around. Your waistline measurement is generally an inch or so below your belly button measurement for perfect pant fitting. Make sure that your measuring tape is parallel to the floor on the front, the side and the back. Note this measurement. This is your waistline measurement. Around hip measurement. For this measurement, wrap your measuring tape around your hip. Take your time and make sure that you're encompassing the fullest part of your hip. Your measuring tape should be parallel to the floor in the front as well as the back. Note this measurement. This is your around hip measurement. A suit top length. Start by placing your measuring tape at the highest point of the shoulder, measure downwards over the bust. For a suit paired with a patiala salwar, measure up to your mid-thigh. For a straight cut suit, measure up to your calf. For an anarkali suit, measure either up to your ankle or the floor, depending on the style selected. Lehenga length or skirt length. For this measurement, find the area that you would comfortably like to wear your skirt at. Place your measuring tape in that area and measure vertically downwards till the floor. Note this measurement. This is your full skirt length or lehenga length measurement. Pant length measurement. For your cigarette pants or your trouser pants, preferably measure from the side. Start by finding the place where you would like to comfortably wear your pant. Place your measuring tape at that point. Measure vertically downwards till your ankle. Note this measurement. This is your cigarette or trouser pant length. In case of baggy pants or salwar pants or palazzo pants, measure from the front. Again, place your measuring tape at the point where you'd like to comfortably wear your pants. Measure vertically downwards till the tip of your toe. Note this measurement. This is your salwar, palazzo or baggy pants measurement. In case of a ready-made saree, again, measure from where you would like to comfortably wear it, vertically downwards till the floor. Note this measurement. This is your ready-made saree length. Full body height measurement. You're going to have to take this measurement against a wall and make sure that you have a pen or a pencil handy. Stand against the wall and place the pen or pencil at the highest point of your head, and with the help of that, mark it on the wall. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to put a sticker on the wall so it's easier for you to see. Measure till the floor. That is your full body height measurement. Around upper bust measurement. Raise your arms and wrap your measuring tape right under the armpit. Make sure that it is snug and your measuring tape is sitting over your bust in the chest area. Make sure the measuring tape is right under the armpit on the side and as high as it can go in the back. Note this measurement. This is your upper bust measurement.